All right, sophomore PE, I'm going to show you how to use the Netflix, how to use everything in Netflix. So we're going to go ahead and in Canvas, you're going to go to the assignments area. Obviously, you know this is where our walking log goes right there. You've been using that for a little while now. The Netflix participation assignment has everything that you need to accomplish it. So you're going to click on Netflix. You're going to go in. There are two things that are available to you in Netflix. The first one is the Netflix Google Slides presentation with video. And the second one down here is the where you're going to the Google form where you're going to put in what you did and give your proof that you did it. So when you click on the Netflix document there, it's going to take you into a Google slideshow here that has all kinds of workouts and activities that you can do. So once it loads up, and sometimes that takes just a few seconds here, in the upper right-hand corner, you will hit the present button. And then that's going to take you in so that you can look at the different workouts that are available for you to do. And again, it takes just a few seconds to load here because there's lots of videos in it. Kind of depends on your internet as well. Okay. Up here at the top, we have some get moving workouts. These are going to be things that are a little more fast paced, cardio based. Down here, we have yoga workouts. And then here we have high intensity interval training workouts right there. We can go to the next slide. Okay. We have some dance workouts there, strength training with weights. So if you have weights, you can do one of those. We have some kickboxing workouts for you as well. Then no equipment cardio workouts right there, ab workouts, mindfulness and good movement workouts, stretching, cool downs, and then some information on healthy eating. And so let's say that I need to get 20 minutes of activity in each day. I do this 15-minute, I want to do this 15-minute activity right here, followed by some abs. Maybe I'll do this fitness blender 10-minute abs right there. So what you do is if you click on a video, it will take you to the slide that has that video on it. Okay, and then you can just let it play while you do the workout and the exercises. All right. Then we would go back. So maybe you want to do another workout. All right, so now I've done my 15 minutes there. Then I'm going to go back up here and I want to do a cool down video or an abs video, and we can do that. Then you'll head over into the Netflix sheet, into the next Netflix assignment, go into your Google Doc. Okay, you'll put last name, first name. Please do it that way. You've been really good about that so far. Date. What Netflix video or videos did you choose to do today? So I did a 15-minute, I forget the exact name of it, but I would put the exact name of it and then the exact name of the abs one that I did. 20 minutes, yes. How difficult were the videos? I've done that one. That one's about a 7 or an 8. Then we're going to go down here. We need to provide some evidence of our workout. That's either going to be a picture of you doing it, a short video clip of you doing it. It can be short. It can be literally 10, 15 seconds. Maybe an exercise monitor, a picture of the, of the screen alongside your fitness tracker, something like that. Something that shows that you did the workout. And then at the bottom here, any concerns you have. So if you couldn't figure out Netflix or you weren't sure what to do with, for proof, you can enter that right there. All right. So again, the first week, we're going to do a trial run of this that you can try to get everything done, make sure there's no hiccups. And then the second week, we'll be doing it, and that'll become part of our daily routine or weekly routine for you when you are at home.